Hi, I'm Aubrey Underwood-Idson, your instructor for History 245. I wanted to just take a few minutes and bring your attention to our one of the things you have to do in week 2, which is the week 2 source analysis paper. So for this assignment, you are asked to select 2 sources from the module resources in module 1 and 2 to write an analysis paper. So the first thing you're going to have to do to complete the paper is to select the sources. And to look at the sources, you can go to Learning Modules. So you want to click on Learning Modules, scroll down to, and you'll see Module 1 and Module 2. So if you click in Module 1, you will see all these resources right here. Now you can use any of the resources in week 1 except for the textbook. You don't want to use a textbook because we're looking at a variety of types of sources. So any of these other sources are great for historical investigation. So one of the sources you might use is the National Security Council's document number 68. We have been discussing this throughout week 1. You might use Churchill's Iron Curtain speech. Again, many of you referenced this in the week 1 discussion. Here's a video of the speech, a website about Churchill, and then this is a site to the library where you could also find articles and sources. So you really want to stick to these, right? This is the best way to any of these sources from week 1. And you might also look at, we go back to Learning Modules, and let's see, click on week 2, module 2. If you scroll down, you'll find a list of other sources. So again, don't want to use a textbook, but any of these other sources are ideal. So the opinion from Brown versus Board of Education, the Supreme Court case, which will force desegregation on public schools, Dwight Eisenhower's The Chance for Peace speech, this website on communism, and another digital source. So again, in the source analysis paper, you will see this. These are the guidelines. And you want to select 2 sources from the module. So you can select 2 from module 1 or 2 from 2 sources from module 2 or 1 from each. It doesn't matter. And you want to write a source analysis. What this means, right, source analysis, is that you're going beyond reporting just the facts to offer some analysis of the documents. So you might consider how both documents engage these issues of the Cold War. You can look at similarities, you can look at differences. You certainly want to try to synthesize the sources. So collectively, what do these 2 sources tell us about the Cold War? Again, you're certainly using facts and evidence to support your assertions. You want to cite each document in the paper. You also want to refer to each document in the paper using footnotes, endnotes, some sort of documentation. You, let's see, you also want to sort of engage this question of what the sort of what I like to call the so what, who cares question. Why does all of this matter significantly? When you really start to address the why it matters, you're getting much closer to analyzing the material. So this is a great place to get started. You're going to submit your paper here through SafeAssign, and you can upload it this way. Please let me know if you have any questions about our first paper, source analysis paper.